Hey yo, it's Chris O. Now this is a classic example of a shower being waterproofed. See the discoloration in that concrete? That's the waterproof on top, right? There's been no pre-slope and you can see the colour. See where I'm pointing to, the difference in colour. That's damp, out there is dry. So there's been a slight leak here somewhere because the water's not getting away, and that's why I always waterproof on top of my screed now. I used to do it like this for years, but now I waterproof on top of my screed. You've got slope, it runs away down the waist. I reckon this is old school. I'm old, but not old school. I like to think I can change to meet the times. Okay, see ya. Smash that subscribe button. Whooshka. Even use 2 fingers if you need to. Just smash the subscribe button. See ya. Bye.